Once again, I have appeared in front of you, my dear students of class 10. I am going to start my class. Hope you are well. No more delay. Previously, I discussed on degree. 2 rules I have completed. Now today, I have to discuss the rest of the rules. So, everybody must keep your scripts and pens. So, follow me. Rules 3. Now write down superlative. This is another rules. Another important rules also can be said. This is another rules. Important ones of. At the moment, unfortunately, my fan has run out, but there is no scope at the moment to change this fan. So I have to continue my class orally. I hope all the students will receive this class carefully and listen to me, having patience. So you must write superlative subject plus verb plus one of the. I said the previous class, superlative degrees sign is the. After that, superlative form plus object. Object will be plural form. Comparative degree. Here is subject. Here is subject plus verb plus comparative form, and then most other. Then most other. After that, object. Object will be plural because the previous word is most other. I have said one of, most other, all other, of all. After that, NP1 or NP2 or verbs will be plural. So number 3, that means positive degree. Here is very few. One of, then most other, and very few. A specific PHR for 3 degrees. First we have gotten one of, after that then most other, and now very few. Very few plus object. Object will be plural. Plus as object plural, verb must be plural, also plural. After that as, after that here, that means positive form, and as and subject. All of you have written. Now I can't write because my pen ink has run out, so I have to continue orally. I have said before. Now I am going to give you a sentence. Now write down on your script. You can write first. China is one of the biggest cities in the world. China is one of the biggest cities in the world. Follow me. China is one of the biggest cities in the world. Object means after degree. That means cities in the world. It is superlative degree. All of you have known well. Now I have to turn it into comparative degree. So first subject China. China, then verb. Verb is. Verb is. China is comparative form. I have said biggest. The form of biggest comparative form is bigger. So write down bigger than comparative form, bigger than most other than object. Object will be plural. Unchanged, that means previous sentence will be unchanged. So most other countries in the world. Countries in the world. So I have turned it into a comparative degree. Now positive degree. My dear student, at the moment I can't write. I again say because my pen ink has run out, so I can't destroy this class. I shall continue this. Firstly, I have to write very few because the sign of positive in this rule, very few. Very few. After that, object. We have already known what is object. That means after degree, which was here the countries in the world. So very few countries in the world. Then verb. As previous object is plural, that means very few countries in the world. So we have to put here plural verb. That means are. No is here will be are. After that, as. Class PF. That means positive form. Here biggest, bigger, big. That means big, bigger, biggest. So as it is positive degree, I have to put here big. So big as subject, and subject is China. Although the sentence is now here, so I have to say from my mind. So very few countries in the world are as big as China. Now I can say this rule has completed and you have already written in your script. Now another sentence I can discuss for your better benefits. Now here is first. Illiteracy is one of the greatest problems in Bangladesh. I again say, subject illiteracy is one of the greatest problems in Bangladesh. Object problems in Bangladesh. So you can turn it into comparative by this rule. At first, subject. Maintain these rules. Subject, property. Subject, property. After that, verb as usual is. Comparative form, greater. Great to greater. Greater than most other problems in Bangladesh. That means property is greater than most other problems in Bangladesh. I hope you have written in your script. Now number 3, positive degree. The beginning of the word of positive degree is very few. Very few, you must spell it correctly. Very few. So, very few problems in Bangladesh. Problem and problems. Must you put here problems as plural. Very few problems in Bangladesh. After that, plural are. Are as great as illiteracy. Illiteracy, as here is no the sentence, so I have to face problem. So, my dear students, no more now. I think you have understood this rule. This is a special rule also. It can be, it may be in your examination question. So you must practice it again and again. Previous 2 rules and today one. Almost 3 rules I discussed. After discussion will be held tomorrow. I think all of you enjoyed my class. I shall try to my best next class to complete all the rules. Have a nice day. Till then, Allah Hafiz.